For sum, in the rectangle WXYZ, XY plus YZ is equal to 17 centimeter and XZ plus YW is equal to 26 centimeter. Calculate the length and breadth of the rectangle. A rectangle is given that is named WXYZ. Here, XY plus YZ is equal to 17 centimeter and XZ plus YW is equal to 26 centimeter is given. Calculate the length and breadth of the rectangle. Length WX and YZ opposite sides and XY WZ or breadth. X is Y plus YZ is equal to 17. Breadth plus length is equal to 70 centimeter. XZ and YW are diagonals. Sum of the diagonal is 26 centimeter. Using this detail, find the length and breadth of the rectangle. In rectangle WXYZ, WX and YZ are length, taken as L. XY and WZ are breadth, P. XZ and YW are diagonals, say as T1 and T2. Given X, Y plus YZ is equal to 17. XY breadth, YZ length, B plus L is equal to 17. P is equal to 17 minus L, taken as 1. XY plus YZ is equal to 26, taken as 2. In triangle XYZ by Pythagoras theorem, XZ square is equal to XY square plus YZ square. XZ is T1 square is equal to B square plus L square. T1 is equal to root of B square plus L square, taken as 3. In triangle YZW by Pythagoras theorem, YW square is equal to YZ square ZW square. YW D2 square is equal to YZ length L square plus ZW breadth B square. D2 is equal to root of L square plus B square, taken as 4. From 2, XZ plus YW is equal to 26. XZ T1, YW T2, D1 plus T2 is equal to 26. T1 is root of B square plus L square plus D2 is root of L square plus B square is equal to 26. Both are same. Add this, we get 2 times of root of L square plus B square is equal to 26. Then root of L square plus B square is equal to 26 by 2. Root of L square plus B square is equal to 13. 26 by 2, 13. Squaring on both sides. L square plus B square, removing square root. L square plus B square is equal to 13 square, 169. B square is 17 minus L from 1. B is equal to 17 minus L. 17 minus L, the whole square is equal to 169. L square plus 17 minus L, the whole square. This is A minus B, the whole square form. So 17 square, 289. 2 into 17 into L. 2 into 17, 34. 34 L plus L square is equal to 169. L square plus L square, 2L square minus 34L plus 289 minus 169 is equal to 0. 2L square minus 34L plus 120 is equal to 0. 289 minus 169, we get 120 is equal to 0. Divided by 2, we get L square. 34 by 2, 17, 17L plus 120 by 2, 60 is equal to 0. By factorizing, we get sum of the root is minus 17, product is 60. 12 into 5, minus 12 into minus 5, plus 60, minus 12, minus 5, we get minus 17. L minus 12 into L minus 5 is equal to, L is equal to 12, L is equal to 5. L is 12 is possible. So, substitute L is equal to 12 in equation 1. B is equal to 17 minus L is equal to 17 minus 12. L is 12. 17 minus 12, 5. B is equal to 5. Length is equal to 12 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 5 centimeter. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 6 meter more than twice of the shortest side. If the third side is 2 meter less than the hypotenuse, find the sides of the triangle. A triangle, right angle triangle is given. Its hypotenuse is 6 more, twice the shortest distance, and the third side is 2 less than the hypotenuse. Find the three sides of the triangle. From the question, you draw the triangle ABC. Here AB is shortest distance, AC is hypotenuse, BC is third side. Let X be the shortest distance and Z be the hypotenuse and Y be the third side. By given Z is equal to 2x plus 6, that is the given. The hypotenuse is 6 more than twice the shortest distance. 2 times of x plus 6, that is equation 1. Then y is equal to z minus 2. The third side is 2 less than the hypotenuse, that is z minus 6, second is 2. Using 1 and 2, 1 into, in the second equation you substitute first equation. Y is equal to, in the place of z, 2x plus 6 you placed 2x plus 6 minus 2, that is 2x plus 4, 6 minus 2, 4. Y is equal to 2x plus 4, taken as 3. In triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, x square plus y square is equal to z square. X square plus y. Y is 2x plus 4. 2x plus 4 the whole square is equal to, z is 2x plus 6. 2x plus 6 the whole square, using 1 and 3. Here a plus b the whole square form, this is also a plus b the whole square form. X square plus 2x the whole square, that is 4x square, plus 2 into 2x into 4, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 4 16, 16x, 4 square 16 is equal to 2x the whole square, 4x square, plus 2 into 2x into 6, 24x, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 6 24, 24x, 6 square 36. Then x square plus 4x square, 5x square, plus 16x plus 16, 5x square minus 4x square plus 16x minus 24x plus 16 minus 36 is equal to 0. 5x square minus 4x square, x square, minus 16x minus 24x minus 8x plus 16 minus 36 minus 20 is equal to 0. Factorize this, we get x minus 10 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Sum of the root is minus 2, 8. Product of the root 2 is minus 20. Minus 10 into plus 2 minus 20. Minus 10 plus 2 minus 8. Here x is equal to 10. X is equal to minus 2. Therefore x is equal to 10 meter. Y is equal to 2 into 10 plus 4 is equal to 24. I am using 3. 3 is y is equal to 2x plus 4. Substitute x is 10. We get 24. Then z is equal to 2 into 10 plus 6. 26 meter, using 1. The length of the three sides are 10 meter, 24 meter and 26 meter. 6th sum. 5 meter long ladder is placed leaning towards a vertical wall such that it reaches the wall at a point 4 meter high. If the foot of the ladder is moved 1.6 meter towards the wall, then find the distance by which the top of the ladder would slide upward on the wall. Here, a ladder of length 5 meter is leaning on towards the vertical wall. The height of the wall, the top of the ladder is 4 meter. After some times, the bottom of the ladder is moved towards the wall 1.6 meter. Then, how much height reach the top of the ladder slides upward the wall? From the sum, you draw the diagram. Here A, B, C is the first. AC is a ladder 5 meter is placed in the first tag at a height of 4 meter. Top of the ladder is placed. After some times, it changes the place towards the wall 1.6 meter. That bottom of the ladder is E. Now the top of the ladder is D. Then find DC. AC and ED is equal to 5 meter, that is ladder. In triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, pi Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. AC is 5 square minus BC is 4 square. 25, 5 square 25 minus 4 square 16. 25 minus 16, 9. AB square is equal to 9. AB is equal to 3 meter. Then EB. AB 3 meter. A is 1.6 meter. So EB is equal to AB minus AE. EB is equal to AB minus AE. 3 minus 1.6, we get 1.4 meter. Now EB is 1.4 meter. Then triangle EBD. EB square plus BD square is equal to ED square. EB is 1.4. 1.4 square plus BD square is equal to 5 square. ED is 5 square. 1.4 square is 1.96 plus BD square is equal to 5 square 25. BD square is equal to 25 minus 1.96. BD is equal to root of 23.04. Root of 23.04 is 4.8. BD is equal to 4.28. Then DC is equal to DB minus CB. DC is equal to BD minus BC. 4.8 minus 4. 0.8 meter. 7 sum. A perpendicular PS on the base QR of the triangle PQR intersecting QR at S such that QS is equal to 3 times FSR. Prove that 2 into PQ square is equal to 2 into PR square plus QR square. 7 sum. PQR is the given triangle. PS is perpendicular to QR. Given QS is 3 times of SR. To prove 2PQ square is equal to 2PR square plus QR square. QR is QS plus SR. QS is 3 times of SR. 3 times of SR. 3 SR plus SR. That is 4 SR. QR is equal to 4 SR. SR is equal to 1 by 4 QR. In triangle PQS. Triangle PQS. PQ square is equal to PS square plus QS square. PQ square is equal to PS square plus QS. Taken as 1. In triangle PRS by Pythagoras theorem. PR square is equal to PS square plus SR square. PR square is equal to PS square plus SR square. Subtract from 1 to 2. 1 minus 2. PQ square minus PR square is equal to PS square plus QS square minus PS square minus SR square. PS square cancel. We get QS square minus SR square. QS is 3 times of SR. Then you substitute 3 SR the whole square minus SR square. 3 square 9. 9 SR square minus SR square. 8 SR square. SR is 1 by 4 QR. 1 by 4 QR the whole square. 1 by 4 square 16. 1 by 16. So 8 by 16 QR square. And PQ square minus PR square is equal to 1 by 2 QR square. Cross multiply we get 2 PQ square minus 2 PR square is equal to QR square. 2 PQ square is equal to 2 PR square plus QR square. Hence proved.